Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making miniature paper vase. It can be also used as container to keep small things. You can flatten it when you are not using it. And again you can turn it into 3D model in seconds and use it. I'll be taking this origami sheet of paper to create this model. It is 15 cm by 15 cm square sheet. Fold the paper into half diagonally. Then fold this triangle into half. Now from this point create a cone shape. By aligning these two points together. Make a sharp crease. The model will look like this. Mark a dot by referring the below flap. And take a ruler and put a straight line and cut it on the line. Open the flap and now we can see a hexagon. Bring the sides to the center crease and make new crease. Do the same fold for all the 6 sides. Now we can see a small hexagon crease line here. Make 2 crease lines by bringing this tip to this center point and this point. Repeat these steps for all the corners. Make all the creases neat and sharp because these are the pre-creasings which will help us to collapse the model easily, and sharp creases will make the product look neat and beautiful. All the pre-creasings are done. Now bring this edge to the center crease and collapse the model as demonstrated. Repeat the same thing for all the sides. Give the finishing for last flap by lifting the flap and tucking it in as shown. Now the model will look like this. Bring this tip to this horizontal crease line as shown. Make a crease. Repeat the same thing for all the sides. Bring this tip to the center point. Tuck in the extra triangular paper under this flap, not this flap, this flap. Repeat the steps for all the sides. If you are finding difficulty in tucking the paper, you can also add one more step by folding the triangle to the back side and making a crease, and on the same crease line you can tuck it in. The model is almost done. Give the 3D look by pushing in the center, and in the sides you can create a diamond shape like this. Repeat the same thing for all the sides. For the first time it will be slightly difficult, but when you flatten it and redo it next time, it will be faster than this. You can use it as a container to keep small things or as a miniature flower vase. It is fun to flatten the model and redo it. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.